Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, this is not only food tour, this is also a city tour. And with me, ladies, this is a shopping tour as well.
Going for food tour now, which will be also a part of city tour.
We were in a group of 12 people, with the food tour originating from Syntagma Square, just opposite to the Parliament building.
Guys, this is our first stop. You have to excuse me a few minutes. You talk to each other, you become friends, and I'm coming back in a few minutes, okay? So, like, my mother, once per month, she will make a box with spinach pies.
We had some freshly baked spinach and cheese pies here. It's such a wonderful feeling to explore the narrow lanes and by-lanes of Athens. Ermou Street is a fully pedestrianized street and it connects Syntagma Square with Monastiraki Square. This is the primary shopping street in Athens.
You know, in the first episode you were great. You seem very great to me.
There are some wonderful restaurants speckled all along this walking tour. Then we come to this pizza place called Smack. At Smack, they make pizza differently. They combine the techniques of Greek paniere with those of Italian pizza. The result is a combination of crunchy crust that is still juicy inside.
Done with the pizza, now we are going for some pork souvlaki.
The guide took us to an authentic souvlaki shop called Street's Souvlaki. Our journey continued through the winding streets of Athens, and it was time for some selfies. There are some wonderful street food options in Monastiraki Square, like the famous stove and loukoumades, to name a few. From Monastiraki Square, we start our journey towards Siri, this time to have some desserts. We come to loukoumades to have some authentic Greek sweet called loukoumades. We were fed till we could have no more. The guide perhaps kept the best for the last. We come to this dessert shop called Siri, and we were simply blown away. I love their kaimaki ice cream with cake in orange syrup. The desserts are delicious and come in generous portions. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.